Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Charisma Black. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, what it do, gang? Welcome, honeys. Today is Monday. I think it's 23rd, if not 4th. We're starting another vlog, and as you can see, we're cleaning together. And from then, just going to watch movies, chill, relax, make some snacks. If you get my drift, if you catch my drift. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog as much as I'm going to enjoy filming it. Okay, see you guys. Okay, let's see where this vlog is gonna take us. We're not so sure. Okay.
I speak, you listen. You know why I'm here. Because I'm a good man. I'm a family man. Most of all, I'm a man who did not deserve your gun in his face. Now, to watch.
Okay guys, hi, today is Tuesday, and last time I spoke with you guys I thought there will be content after that, but nah, there was nothing. So today's Tuesday. I quickly came to my place and Masego called me, can we go to Mall of Africa together, and I'm taking you guys along with me, so we are going there. See you guys there. Right here. Is it big enough?
It's not.
This is beautiful. That one on top.
Oh, that one. That's my thing.
It's like a Gucci replica type shit. They're beautiful. Yeah, this one is so nice. Hi, my baby. The lighting is giving Zara. Shomer's animal cotton on. I'm gonna get to the basic so. Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah. Ah, no lemon. Yo, ya musile pelo tsa lefatshe.
Yeah, vomitane. This is nice. This looks so nice, guys. I mean, obsessed. Huh? I forgot.
Okay, stop. Ke bokae tafole?
I won't choose.
I let up about okay,
Cheers, guys.
So for that, just like wabana le no yana go feel hore ke mo dagale dijo. I get it like nga ke guys ke la hore you're not going to go anywhere after that you come here. So wabana wa ke mo dagale dijo. Dipot. Go kaznak, ke di fokotse nyana di go kaznak. Ba bona. Ga ba tlo feel hore ke tsa.
Thank you.
Re dila le vlogger mare. Ke re dila le vlogger.
Tshwanetse go di dintle yang. Ke gona go busa dijo ke re ke batla tseo.
Thank you.
Yo, this is so beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Na ke tlo go happy dine ke se ke introduce. Ke ka ipe happy o tibe ka ha ona tla ke ga di mo ke se because God a really happy. Ha e tla mo tla be e dile ke se ke tšu. Man tlhalo ga.
One thing about me, I'll vlog. Oh, friend, you're too much.